So it's not super well rooted, but it's just growing so fast. He was much smaller when I put him in this pot like a month or two ago. So I start with, I kind of use my thumb to like push on the bottom of the pot, like kind of loosen it up in there, and then just kind of flip it over. And if it's well enough rooted, it should just all come out together, which this one did. I just kind of pop them in there, like work them in a little bit so it flattens out. And then besides that, I don't mess with the roots or tease them or anything, especially when it's not like totally root bound. Then I just go ahead and throw an appropriate cactus mix in there with it. Pack it down a little bit, make sure it's straight, all that fun stuff. You know, the little bit of tapping the pot on the sides. You can see how well it packs it down because it's just like settling really nicely. So throw a little bit more on there. And then after that, that's a pretty well finished product, not too bad. That's pretty much what you're going for. You don't want to bury it too deep. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also if you want to buy some premium seed-grown cactus and rooted cuttings, visit my site, cactusuncle.com.